Autorox proudly presents a digitally enabled ecosystem to transform the car service experience for your garage. In this video, we will help you get an overview of the stock page. To proceed, click on the stock button on the side ribbon. We are now in the stock dashboard. In this screen, we have 6 options: stock, order, inward, issued, purchase return, and stock alerts. We can see the total stock items, stock value in the dashboard. On stock page, we can see entries for in stock, out of stock, reorder level. Using these, we can view or modify the entries based on our requirements. For example, if we click any line item from the stock page, a pop-up will appear and reveals the purchase data, fitment to the vehicle, and reorder level, and we can set the category the item belongs to. We can map a part to a particular vehicle using the Link Part to Vehicle option. Only the make and model are mandatory. By doing this, whenever the job card is created for the particular vehicle, only those parts will display in the relevant parts icon on the job card estimation. The category and link to parts options are interlinked together. If we set the category based on that, the relevant parts will appear in job card estimation. If the category is not set, the all stock lines will show under other categories. Reorder level describes, we can set the quantity level, minimum order quantity alerts to be displayed in stock dashboard. For example, we have taken this line item. Set the quantity for displaying the alert message on the dashboard. For example, if we set the quantity to 5 when the particular line in hand quantity reaches the mentioned reorder level quantity in the stock dashboard, you will get the alert message. The minimum order will help you determine the order quantity that is required to order from the vendor. This is the alert message displayed on the stock dashboard for the reorder level. If we navigate to the reorder level, we can see the number of line items, and we can place the orders directly by clicking on the order icon. The purchase data will display the inward entries with vendor name, bill number, inward date, etc. If any modifications are required, you can use this data to find the inward entries. The placed orders will display on the order page. We can see the status and inward them into our stock directly. The inward page contains all the inwarded stock entries. We can modify the entries based on our needs. The issued page will help us have a track of the issued line items to a job card and directly issued line items. The status indicates whether the part issue is completed or pending on the job card. The return pop-up gives the data of issued quantity and return quantity entries. The purchase return help to identify the parts returned to a vendor based on certain reasons. Stock alert describes if a part is added to the job card from inventory and not issued. Those pending line items will display in stock alert page. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.